Hi, I'm Elizabeth Davis, the Student Success Librarian at the Gertrude Kissler Memorial Library. In this video, I'll go over Copyleaks, which is our plagiarism detection software. Copyleaks checks your assignments against anything that's published, be it on the internet or published in book form. And the goal is to make sure that you're following the academic integrity policies of the college. So let's see what happens when we submit something that is plagiarized. For this example, I'm using a document that I made where I've plagiarized some of it, but not all. So at the top, I have a section that is completely from Wikipedia, copied and pasted. This is plagiarized. Underneath it, I have that section still copied and pasted, but I made some minor changes, some minor tweaks. Still plagiarism, but I've changed it a little. Underneath that, I have a quote, and I even have a form of citation, basic APA. Finally, at the bottom, I have a paraphrase. I've taken the information and I've put it into my own words. Let's see what happens when we upload this. So you'll go to your assignment and upload the file. You will click to say this assignment is my own and submit. Yay! It's come through. Now, after you submit, it can take about 5 minutes before you see what you've submitted. Then you should get a plagiarism report. You go to your grades, and I'm going to go to the one I just submitted, the Copyleaks test. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I've made myself some tea. Let's see what's happened. When I look at the assignment, it hasn't been graded yet, but I can see the plagiarism score, the originality report. I'm going to click on that. So the originality report has a couple different levels. It talks about identical, minor changes, paraphrased, and omitted words. And unsurprisingly, it caught my huge plagiarism here. It caught my mainly plagiarized here. And it even says where it's from. Now it's interesting because it does say some plagiarism here, which is the paraphrase. But the wording is very similar, so your professor probably won't worry too much about it. Now, sometimes when you have a quote, it will say that's plagiarized. Here, I have a quote and a citation. It doesn't pull that up, but there's a possibility it might. So when you see the report, don't freak out. Look at it. See what the report actually says. And if it's something like a quote or even this area that says it's paraphrased, well, it is. There are only so many ways I can say cacao. So look at the report. Don't freak out. If your professor has a concern, they'll reach out to you and talk about it. I hope this helps you understand how the Copyleaks software works and how to look at the originality report. If you have any questions, please email us at library@rosemont.edu or drop on by.